Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at God of War on the Absolute 3D One connected with my morefine G1 eGPU, which has an NVIDIA 4080M. We'll be using Depth 3D for the side-by-side screens, and we're going to start off with our settings at 1600p Ultra settings with DLSS off. We'll start off first by taking a look at how it performs in the side-by-side mode. It seems to be performing in the mid 50s, which is actually pretty decent considering the settings and the fact that we're rendering two screens. When we toggle to 3D mode, it's going to be in native 3D because we have this side by side screen already rendered, so we don't have to worry about the AI 3D mode messing things up. Now that we're in 3D mode, we seem to be in the mid 50s, which is actually very impressive. I have to say, this is probably the best game that I've tested so far with 3D mode that actually has some pretty decent graphics. Looking at our CPU usage, we're in the mid 90s, which is good. Like, we're not quite at 100%, but I think we're probably pushing this eGPU to the most that we can with the type of connection we have here with the USB 4. And even more shocking now is when we go to 2D mode, the performance is actually quite similar. Like, it's a few frames per second higher. We are going above 60 in some cases here, but it's not all that different from when we were playing side by side or when we were playing in 3D mode. So this is probably a really good game if you want to play in 3D. You're going to get, not too much performance loss. Now we'll turn on DLSS and we're just going to set it to quality. So we shouldn't really lose any image quality, but we should gain a little bit of performance. And with these settings, we seem to be now at about 60 to 65 FPS, which is, a nice little bump. It's maybe 5 to 10 frames per second, but it does bring you above 60 consistently, which is really something that we'd like to target. Overall, I would say God of War is definitely one of the games that I would suggest taking a look at if you're trying to play 3D with an eGPU, and I think I played okay when I tried without the eGPU as well. If you want to learn more about the Absolute 3D One, I did do an early impressions video that you can check out on my OKest Gamer channel. If you want to see more gameplay and tests, check out the other videos on this channel, the OK-ish Gamer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.